All right, folks, Friday morning, time to get rolling. Stock market's trading lower. Dow Jones off by about 150. On that weakness, we're seeing the dollar trade higher. It's just been a wild week. This market has been all over the place, certainly creating some nice opportunities for you folks at Nadex with these volatile moves. And a lot of these moves very, very short-term in nature throughout the course of the day. That said, I can't stress the importance, and I've talked about it before, of education. You have to educate yourself as a trader. You have to educate yourself as an investor. It's so critically important. Put probability on your side. At least arm yourself with the knowledge and the tools that you need to go in there and be successful and to make educated decisions. Just like anything, you have to know what you're doing if you want to be successful in the long term. Believe in the process, educate yourself, make yourself better. We talked about this day one, January 1st. Stick to that plan and let's go get after it. Everybody, have a great weekend. I'll check in with you again on Monday.